have here, this one is our regular washing machine. Okay, this one is the one that we are using for guest clothes and uniforms. We have 9 of these machines, only depends on the sizes or the maximum loads. Here we have a 33 kilogram maximum load. We have 4 of 33 kilogram maximum load, 3 of 55 kilogram, and then 2 of 120 kilogram maximum load. And then we have here a dryer. We have 5 dryers that we are using here on deck 2, and then we have 8 dryers on deck 3. And then here on my left, this one is our pressing area. Here is where we press mostly all the guest clothes and uniforms. Okay. And then I have this machine that we have here. This one is our tagging or labeling machine. Okay, I just gotta give you an idea how we process your laundry. Once we receive anything on a bag, we just gonna make sure that whatever you write on our laundry list, you have it inside the bag. So if you write 3 jeans and 3 t-shirts, just gonna check if it's inside the bag. And then after that, we're gonna put a label on each item. Then we're gonna put a label or sticker like this. You're gonna put your cabin number or sometimes you're gonna put like code. And then after putting a label or sticker on it, that's the time we're gonna wash, dry, press. And then after that, we have to sort it again one by one. Make sure that whatever you send for washing, you will get the same one. Then if you want to remove this sticker, it can be easily removed by filled out by pulling this part here. Fill it like that, and it will be easily be removed. So if you don't want to remove it, it's okay as a souvenir. If you don't remove this one, it will stay still forever. That's how we process your laundry. And then behind you, this white and blue machines that we have there, that is our dry cleaning machine. So if you have anything for dry cleaning, like a dress or suit that you want to be dry clean, Norwegian Bliss is accepting anything for dry cleaning. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you this pressing machine that we normally use for dress shirts and shirt jackets. Available on Amazon. We have 2 of these machines, so it only takes 20 seconds to press one jacket. So we have 2 of these machines, so we use it simultaneously. Additional information, once a crew member sign on, they will be given at least 4 to 5 sets of uniform. So whatever they're gonna send for washing, we're gonna put also a sticker or label on each one. So whatever they send for washing, you will get the same one. That will be their personal uniform. Okay. Now we're gonna go now and start